Hi all, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Air Jordan 5 Retro. This is a box, quite a cool design box. I do like, and the best part of all is the opening and the unwrapping. These are fire. What you might notice after watching a few of my videos, and for those who don't know me, is I've got a thing for red. So you'll probably see a lot of red Jordans, red clothing. Yeah, these are another level. Absolutely beautiful trainer. The detailing, the suede, nubuck, lovely. It's a bit of me, this is. What we thinking, people? So yeah, comment, share, like. What's your favourite Jordan? Your colourways? What do you like? What are you hoping to cop? Subscribe for more sneaker unboxing coming to you soon. Enjoy, people. Thanks for watching.